Hello everyone, welcome back to another car review. Today I'm at Turlock Dodge reviewing a 2019 Dodge Charger GT. All the information as far as the dealership will be in the description below, as far as all the car specs and stock number. So we're going to start off with a quick walk around, get some shots of the interior, and go for a test drive. Now right off the back, you notice these massive Brembo brakes. Like always, trunk space on the Chargers are really good. Now, as far as backspace on the Charger, you did get a good amount of back as far as legroom. I'm 5'8" and I do got good ways to go until I'm hitting the rear seat. Rear seats do come with 2 USB ports. And 2 cup holders in the rear. I mean, this color is it stands out. That's for one thing. This green really does stand out. In the center console, you do get a 12-volt plug-in, 2 USB ports, and auxiliary port. And you do get the clean gray metallic look to the center dash. Glovebox space is pretty good as well. Get a 12-volt plug-in here as well. Your controls on the left of the steering wheel control your heads-up display. Controls on the right control your cruise control. And then you do get the Infotainment Center, which is, like I said in my previous videos, Dodge always has probably the best entertainment centers out there. As far as user-friendly, to someone who doesn't really have a good knowledge with it, super easy to use. I mean, you grasp this thing pretty quick. Car does have a manual mode. When you're in drive, slide to the left. You can switch gears using the shifter in the center or via the paddles on the steering wheel. Again, Dodge has a really good 9-3 as far as bulkiness of the steering wheel. Really easy to grip, really easy to use. Both passenger and driver side windows are automatic. Alright, let's go for a drive. Now the seats as well on the GT they feel good. They hug you. Gives it like a more of a sporty feel, but at the same time they are really comfortable. It's not too stiff on your back. and they'll make driving this car long distance really easy. Now before we set off, I'm going to put the car in sport. Let's kind of see how this GT does in tight corners. Really good, really planted as well. Easy to turn in and turn out. Beautiful. Alright, now I'm going to put the car into sport mode. So like I said, slide to the left. And now gears are shift via the pedals or in the center. Now, as far as the infotainment center, I am on performance pages, and when you're on home, you can kind of customize of what you want to see on your performance page. So, for an example, I got power, oil pressure, my G-force, and my current gear. And like I said, all that can be customized to your own settings. But at the same time, they hold you. When you're sitting in these seats, they do hold you. You do get a more of a sporty feel to the car. You feel more connected. You don't feel like you're gonna fly around these seats, taking corners at high speeds. But they don't have the stiffness of a racing seat. It's really comfortable to sit in. And I can already tell by driving this car around for a little bit on this test drive, this car does get a lot of attention. It's pretty cool to see a lot of people turn their heads when they see a bright green Charger coming down. Like I said, this Charger does come with the Brembo brakes package, and stopping is really powerful. This car does really grip on the brakes. Alright, let's do one last walk around. Alright everyone, thank you for watching this review, and I'll see you guys on the next car.